Hello, good day, everyone. So I assume that if you're watching this video right now, you just purchased or you just have access to right human AI to reduce your AI in your text. Well, first of all, I must tell you that you made a very, very wonderful choice, as this tools is tested and trusted, and it is one of the best tools to use to reduce AI effectively. Now, one of the wonderful thing about Right Human is not just the fact that it's able to bypass Turnitin, because there are a lot of other tools that can bypass Turnitin. But one of the problem they have is their output, and your output is one of the key things you need to focus on when doing your research or for your text. That is where Right Human comes in. Right Human is not White Human don't just bypass AI. The output White Human gives you is authentic, perfect, the grammar, sentence structure, and most importantly, the keywords in your original text. Right human will retain it. And that's the most important thing when trying to reduce AI, because there's some tools outside there that they can't bypass AI. But the only problem now is their output is so bad. You have to correct grammar, you have to correct English. At times you have to impute back the keywords that you are trying to maintain in the text. This is where right human comes in as the best. So for me not to make this video too long, I'm going to show you how to use right human. It's going to be not too long video, hopefully, because it's easy to navigate. It's very easy to navigate. So let's just dive right in. So I assume by now you've gotten your password and your login details. I assume it's going to be something like this. What you're going to do is you're going to copy where you've been asked to log in. You're going to go to your browser. You're going to go to your browser, you paste it in here, then so this is the face you're going to see. So I'm very sure by now you already have access to your password and login. Your password and your username are the same thing. So you come over right here, you paste it, the same thing here, then you click on login. Then once you're in, you're going to come into this face. So you click on this, you access it right here, and then you're in completely. Then you wait for it to access your information and then bring out your right human face. So right now it's still loading. So now let me explain something to you. Now, for you to make sure that your right human is working perfectly well, make sure that only what you can see right here is your sign out. Are you getting me? And make sure that it is 3,000 word is showing here, not 200. Make sure it is 3,000. Are you getting me? So once you can see these two faces, it shows that okay, your AI is working perfectly. And at times, very rarely, all this might not show. It might be 200 and it might be showing login. You can just chat me up and tell me, oh, this is having issues and it's going to be sorted out, but very rarely it happens. Now, this is the face of right human. You're going to have access to this unlimited word in a month. So don't be scared that, oh, if I use it too much, it's going to expire. No, unlimited throughout that month. Now, for your input, you have 3,000 word you can input inside to get an output. Anything more than 3,000, it will not allow. And this is very good because unlike other tools, you don't even have up to 3,000 input. Are you getting me? So let's dive right into what we are here for. So first thing first you want to do is you want to activate your enhanced model. Now, another thing you want to also explore is you go click on this, you're going to see different outputs depending on what you're trying to do. For example, now if you're just writing a normal research, you can put it on academic. Now, if your research is specifically on scientific study, you can click on scientific. It's going to change it. But if you don't want it to be scientific or academic. Probably you are writing a CV or something professional. You can click on what? Professional. Probably you don't even want it to be professional. You just want it to be on a neutral ground. Now, this standard is something that is acceptable. It's just on a neutral ground. That's what it means by standard. Most people just click on standard. Are you getting me? If it is creative, you can click on creative. If it is blog, you can click on that. But me, most times, because I'm majorly into academic writing, I always use academic writing. And if it is specifically scientific academic writing, I click on scientific. So depending on which you want to use. But for today, we are going to click on what? Academic writing. Now, this is a work. This is a work. All this work you see now from chapter 1 to 3 are all directly from AI output, ChatGPT, directly. So majorly, what I do is when I want to do my work, I completely use AI for my work, depending on the work. But one thing I want you to understand is don't be scared to use AI as long as you have access to writing. That's what I will tell you. Carry out your research. Go online. You can use journal, get your research, do whatever it is you want to do. When you are done, even if you want to use AI for your work, no problem. Use AI for it. Once you're done and you're done arranging the work, then you can now copy your text, put it into AI, and it's solved for you work. Now, this is me. I'm done with the work. All this, like I said, are all from AI. So what am I going to do? Let's say, for example, like I told you, 3,000 word count. So I'm going to copy background of study, statement of problem, everything at once. Don't be scared. Put it aside. It's going to give you a very, very nice output. I see me. I just copied that. All these text I copied now, as you can see right here, it is 1,500 words. So I'll copy directly from here. I'll come in here, then paste here, as you can see, then click on this, then wait for it to what? For it to load. Are you seeing it? Processing. You understand? So, like I was saying right here, don't be scared to use AI as long as you have access to right human. You can even get the output directly from AI. Don't be scared. Keep doing your work. Once you're done with the work and everything, you can just come to right human and check and paraphrase it or use right human to make it unique. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So let's by now we should already have our results here. So look at the output. If you read this output now, I'm going to pause this for a while and read this output yourself. Looking at the output, you're going to see that the output is okay. Now, the wonderful thing about this is you're having up to what? Five different outputs, and they are all amazing. Look at it, facility management. Now, in some AI you're going to use, is going to change this keyword, facility management. But this is going to help you retain it. Five completely different, amazing outputs. Now, look at the human score at the top. Human score 99.95 for the first one. The second one 99.93. The third one. Now, what this tool is doing is going to give you the best, which is going to be the first 99.95. The next one might not be a little bit lower, but you're going to your first option here is going to be the best with that. I get it. But do you know the funny thing? At times you might not even like the first output, which is okay. You can take from the second, or you can take from the third, or you can take from the fourth, even from the fifth. In fact, one of the good thing is, for example, now let's say I like this first output, but I don't like everything inside it. I can mix it up. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to come here. I'm going to copy this side, right? I've copied all the first outputs. Let's come here and I'm going to paste it into a fresh document because I'm trying to edit it. So look at it. I've pasted it here. Let's arrange it properly now. Let's arrange it properly. So this is it. This is it. Okay. Now this is it. Properly arranged. Now, for example, let's say this second paragraph, I don't like it. but I like the rest. I can come here, look at the second option I have here. I can look at the second option, look at the second paragraph. If I'm okay with this second paragraph, I can copy only this side and use it for the one I'm working with. Let's say, for example, now I prefer the third paragraph, right? I'm just going to come here, copy only this second paragraph right here, then come over here, then replace it with it. Replace it with it. Are you seeing it? Now you see how wonderful right human is. Are you getting me? So for me now, I have so much confidence in right human because I've been it for quite some time. And most of the time, I don't really read out the content. What I focus on is if I read the first paragraph and it's okay, I just pick everything up and use. But since this might be your first time, you can spend more time to glance through the outputs. Are you getting me? If you read the first paragraph and second paragraph, you're okay with it. You can copy it out, put in the fresh document, and you can keep going through it. So if you keep going through it inside this new document you sent, this one that you pasted it in, you were going through it and probably don't like this section in this one you picked. You can come back to this place and what? Look for other places and pick it and use it for your work. Are you getting me? So that's just it. And if worst come to worst, you don't even like any of the options that were given to you out of the five, you can click on this again. But before you click on this, always check this side because it might have been changed to where you don't want it to be. So you come here, you put it back here, then you click on it again. Are you getting me? You click on it again. If let's say eventually you don't like any of these five options that were given to you, it's okay. It's cool. You can just do it again. And once you do it again, it's going to give you another result. So from that result, you can still pick from it. I get it. But like I said, one of the reasons why right human is very good is because of its output. Its output is good and nice, and is still able to bypass AI. I get it. So once you're done with this, you can then check your work on Turnitin. Are you getting me? I also have access to Turnitin. So if you want to buy Turnitin, either for 1 month or 6 months, whatever it is, you can also see chat me up. I would give you access to that monthly and I will give you the cost for it. Are you getting me? So that's just it. That's just how it works. So I guess that should be all for now. So thank you, and I will see you in any other further video you're going to get from me. So thank you very much.
Free audio post production by alphonic.com.